Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to show you the best free email marketing tool. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. Email marketing is an essential part of any digital marketing strategy, but it can be expensive if you're using a paid tool. Luckily, there are several free email marketing tools available, and we will discuss some of the best options in this tutorial. Now, we will be talking about 3 different websites that are for email marketing. We have MailChimp as our first one, Zoho Campaign, and then GetResponse over here. We're first going to talk about MailChimp over here. Now, how do you use MailChimp for email marketing? As you can see here on the left side, you would be able to use campaigns, automation, edit your audience, see your analytics, create a website, edit your content, and have integrations over here. You could create campaigns by clicking on this button over here, and you would be able to see all the different campaigns that you have or campaigns that you would be able to create. As you can see here, we currently have one contact, and one of these are subscribers, as you can see here. You would be able to create emails, automation, landing pages, ads, postcards, social posts, and surveys over here. You could also do automations if you would like. You could have journeys, pre-built journeys, and transactional emails over here. As you can see, you would need to upgrade your plan if you want to use these features over here, such as the pre-built customer journeys. Now, how do you make a campaign? We're going to explore how you can make a campaign in MailChimp. We're going to click on All Campaigns once again, and we're going to click on Create Campaign. By clicking this, you would be able to choose from either regular email or an automation or a landing page over here. We're going to go with a regular email for now. Click on Design Email. And then over here, we're going to have to select an email builder. We could choose from our new builder or a classic builder. For now, we're going to go with the classic builder. And then over here, we will be able to select from a lot of different templates for our email. As you can see here, we have featured, we have sell product, make an announcement, tell a story, follow up, and educate templates over here. You could also choose from the basic templates over here from one column full width, 1 2 full width, but you would need to start a free trial to access this, which we are currently going to use. And as you can see, there's a lot of different options over here. So for now, we're going to go with a template, which is part of the featured. We could go with our make announcement over here. We're going to click this, and we would be able to edit the specific template that we have chosen. As you can see here on the left side, which is our preview section, this is what our current email looks like. We would be able to edit this and make it more visually creative. You could add your logo over here, you could add photos over here, edit the heading, edit the content over here, and other stuff like that. You could also edit the buttons over here. You could also add blocks such as text, box text, divider, image, image group, image card, image text, share, and all of these other options as well. You could also edit the styles of the page, the header, the body, footer, mobile styles, and other referral badge over here. You could also add comments on this campaign over here. To edit specific sections, you can simply click on the box over here. For example, the logo, you would be able to replace your logo by clicking on this. You could also edit the heading over here by clicking this. You would be able to edit the text and edit the font sizes and the designs over here by using the styles, font, and sizes over here. You could also add images over here by clicking this. You would be able to edit the image group. You could add photos for each of these sections over here. You could also do the same thing I did earlier with this section. You could add hyperlinks to your messages by selecting the text that you would like to have a hyperlink and click on this link option over here, and you would be able to choose from a web address, email address, anchor link, or a file over here. And that's basically it for the campaigns. You can simply click on continue, and you would be able to save your email that you have created. And we're going to go back to our homepage so that we can check it out. And as you can see, this is the campaign that we have created just now. You would be able to delete this as well by clicking on the check button over here and click on delete. Now moving on, we're going to check out Zoho campaigns over here. Over here, as you can see, you could easily create your first campaign by clicking on the Create Campaign in the dashboard. You could also check out your campaigns section over here, like email campaigns, social campaigns, and SMS campaigns. You can also add contacts to your list, like all contacts, manage list, manage topics, sync service, segment, make a sign-up form, contact scoring, and add contact tags over here. You could also do automations like with MailChimp. There's auto response and workflows over here. You could also do e-commerce, library, and reports over here. Now we're going to check out how we could create a campaign. We're going to click on Create Campaign. Now over here, we're going to have to put a name for our campaign name. We're going to go with testing. Edit the topic name. Right now, we only have marketing, so we're going to go with that. Click on Save and Proceed. And just like that, we will now be able to create our email campaign. Our first thing that we could edit is the topic. You could edit the topic once again. You could add subject. By clicking this, you would be able to add a subject line. For example, we're going to go with testing just for the meantime. Click on Save, and now we have testing as our subject. We could add a sender. By clicking this, you would be able to add a sender name. Go with test. For now, this is our email. Click on Save. And you could also add a recipient over here, add a content. Click on Create Content over here. And now over here, we will be able to choose from pre-designed templates or templates over here. You could also do HTML code editor or plain text editor, or import and upload HTML, or use recently sent templates or from recently created campaigns. We're going to go with basic templates for the meantime. And over here, we could choose from simple text, 1 column, 1, 2 column, the same thing we saw in MailChimp from earlier. We could go back again by clicking on email campaigns. Click on this. Click on the 3 dots. Click on edit subject and sender. And we're back here. We're going to create content once again. We're going to check out the pre-designed templates this time. Over here, as you can see, you could choose templates from holidays, seasons, welcome, newsletters, deals and offers, thank you, webinar, and many more options over here. We're first going to check out a very simple one. We're going to go with this one over here with a greet, and we're going to click on use this template. By doing that, we would be redirected to the editing page of Zoho campaign. As you can see here, very similar with MailChimp. You have your elements over here, the text, image plus text, buttons, and all of these different elements. You could edit the layouts over here by choosing these different layouts. It would be able to add this in this section, and then you will be able to edit the content by clicking on the specific sections like the photo and the paragraph over here. You could delete contents by clicking on the specific section, and you're going to click on delete. On delete, just like that, you will be able to delete that content over here. Just like that, we were able to delete the layout that we were able to add. You could also edit the design over here, like the inner color, outer theme, and outer color over here. You could also edit the template width, the outer border size, and outer border color. You could also enable an RTL layout over here if you would like. Now to edit sections, you can simply click on a specific section, and you could change this over here by typing it directly, just like that. You can edit the line spacing, the text properties that we have over here, the background color, the border style, and all of those stuff. You could also edit the text settings over here in the middle. Now after doing this, you could either preview and test, or you could actually click on proceed, and we would be able to save this content that we have just created. And now we're back over here. As you can see, it's going to show you issues or warnings for your content. If you are having issues so that you wouldn't need to encounter them later on, it would immediately tell you before you publish your campaign. And after doing this, you can simply add recipients over here. You could test the email. You could inbox preview, edit plain text. You could also edit this or delete this entirely. Now, moving on, we're going to check out how we could create campaigns in GetResponse. Over here on the GetResponse, as you can see, we have create newsletter, create form pop-up, create landing page, add contacts, and create autoresponder. The autoresponder is like the automation. We're going to create and go to email marketing. Let's see what we have in the email marketing section. Now in this section, we will be able to create a newsletter. We're going to try and create a newsletter by clicking this button. We could make a newsletter or create our email by myself, or with an AI generator. If you would like to use the AI generator, you can simply click this, but for now, we're going to go with myself. Over here, you could edit the from email, the reply to email, the subject line, recipients, the basic stuff, and the content over here. We could design our message, clicking this. We would be able to choose template once again, the same thing we did with the other two websites that we have just used. For example, we're going to go with this one. We're going to click on use template. And we will be redirected to the editing page. And just like we saw earlier, very similar. We have our blocks over here. You could add image, text, buttons, video, the basic stuff. You could add e-commerce related products, blocks. You could add my blocks over here if you have saved blocks. You could also add section if you would like to column section. You can simply click this and drag it into your section, into your page, just like that, and it will automatically be added. You could also edit the layout settings over here, as you can see here on the right side. You could also edit the messaging style over here, like the width, the background color, the background image over here, the header, and the footer. You could do whatever you would like to completely edit your email over here. You can simply click on a specific section, and you can do the same thing, like edit the sections that you want. And you would be able to edit the properties over here on the right side. After editing and creating your email, you can simply click on next. And just like earlier, you would be returned back here, and you can simply complete all the information needed, and you can simply click on send message over here, and you would be able to successfully send the message to whoever you would like to send it. And that's it, guys. Those are the 3 best email marketing campaign websites in the internet. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.